Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. This is a dash of spices where we eat our fillings. Today I'm going to show you how I make this Asian style barbecue chicken. This is a very juicy, delicious barbecue chicken which I marinate overnight. So if you want to learn how to make this barbecue chicken, please watch the entire video. And today's ingredients are bone-in chicken thighs. This is a 2 pounds chicken thighs. Crushed garlic and onions. Also, I'm using 2 limes. Raw honey. Coconut oil. Sesame oil. Brown sugar. White vinegar. Garlic pepper. Black ground pepper. Also, I'm using a ginger powder because I ran out of a ginger, but this will do too. Salt. We also need soy sauce, which is, I think this about like 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And now I'm going to add the 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, the crushed garlic, and the chopped onions. Also the white vinegar, and I'm also adding a water, the same size of the same amount of liquid as the white vinegar, and a teaspoon of the salt and the brown sugar, teaspoon of the sesame oil, and teaspoon of the honey. And just squeeze the limes. I use 2 limes and I slice the other half of the second limes as I just gonna soak that with the marinade. Also bay leaves. I'm going to add on the description box the entire ingredients. Also the ginger powder. I actually like ginger powder when I'm marinating because it sinks into the skin or the meat. And a little bit of olive oil because we don't have the skin, so we had to add a little oil on that. Garlic pepper, just season this with the spices. Ground black pepper. And now you're just gonna mix everything until everything is well combined using a gloves. You gotta be careful when you prepare a chicken meat. You don't want to get sick. You don't want the people that will eat your food to get sick. So make sure when you're marinating a chicken, you gotta do it really quick. That's why I didn't prefer the marinade in a separate bowl. I dump it right away to the chicken because I don't want the chickens to just sit there. So now I'm just gonna wrap this with the cling wrap. If you have a foil, you could wrap it with foil. If you have a bigger container that has a lid, then you could use that as well. This is gonna be placed in the refrigerator overnight. Now I'm making my basting sauce. Just add the garlic. This is 2 garlics, crushed garlics, and then olive oil. I didn't use the coconut oil because it burns right away, the meat, so I just using olive oil. Then the sesame oil, and of course the black pepper. Just grind that over. Sorry, my camera is kind of focused down, so you can't really see where I'm grinding the black pepper. Just like that. Now add some soy sauce. And honey. And now I'm using a white wine vinegar. Just a little drop. And just cover that. Mixed it. See, this is good when you're using mason jar because you could just shake shake it, the basting, mix it well. And this also be placed inside the refrigerator. There's the basting sauce. Here's the chicken that I marinated overnight. So chicken, after overnight, I'm just gonna give it a little flip like that, and I will take it to the grill. I'm just gonna put this in a separate plate, and also don't forget the basting sauce. You need a brush, and then just take this out. Wait, like that. So what I did here, I just transferred the chicken thighs, the marinated chicken thighs, on a separate plate, but I actually move it to a little bit shallow plate, so because I'm taking it outside. I want my chicken to be safe. Last one. I think I should have a Pyrex. Take that out. That's it. I'm going to use this instead. Just gonna put that chicken. Here comes the wind. Take that. There's the chicken. I'm just gonna let that cook. Make sure it heats the heat. It hit to the at least 250 degrees. So I'm just gonna cover this. So the chicken is brown. That's how I want it. It should be done, but I'm gonna let it sit again for another 10 minutes because it's so windy, and I'm gonna baste it last time. Just like that. So the chicken is done. I'm just doing the last flip after that basting, and this is gonna go inside for plating. So here's the chicken. So good. Serve this with a white rice. Sure, if you want a fries, you could do that too, but we eat this with white rice. So just cut into that. See how juicy that is. So good. This is actually a good barbecue chicken. And so moist and so delicious. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, and please check out our other videos for some healthy quick recipe. And thank you for watching A Dash of Spices. Have a good one, everybody.